Hi, this is Mahadi from InstaWebWorks. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add workflows for our extension, a Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM. So if we go to the settings page, the setup page, under automation, we have workflows. You click on create rule, select module. So initially, the extension is set up for leads, contacts, and accounts, but it's not set up for the deals module. So I'm just going to say deals address toolkit. Next, select record action. Can be for create or edit. Repeat for all deals. And create address toolkit settings. Okay, so this deal settings, I've already added a settings in the marketplace. If I go to the marketplace and they got installed, and in the settings page, I have created these settings beforehand. That's why this pre-existing settings is shown over here with all the mapping for billing address and shipping address. I have two addresses. So if I click on save, deals address toolkit, save and associate, save. Now if I go to deals, let's go to one of the deal and change the data from here. Let's just add a random data from Utah to this full address. These fields should be auto-populated. Okay, so this was for setting. This was for a module that we already have the settings. And let me just go to another module called custom module. Custom module address toolkit. You can create settings from the settings page, but if you want to add workflows, you can also add the settings from this over here as well. Let me just show you. Create address toolkit. So this one doesn't have any settings, so I can create a settings from here. United States. Just give a address, random address, the next. So address 1. So just gonna take this a name. Billing address. This is not mandatory. Address 1 is the street. City is this. So you gotta keep in mind that these fields have to be already in your module, and they have to be single line field, text fields. It cannot be number fields, otherwise you cannot do the field mapping. So you gotta keep in mind. Zip, country. We also have fields for county and formatted address. Formatted address is the full address. And important part is this one, latitude and longitude. So you need to save these in order for us to see the map view later on. So you gotta have these fields beforehand so that you can do the field mapping later on. So I'm just gonna save, and that's it. Now it's custom module workflow address toolkit. Save and associate. Thanks. Save. Now, if I go to the custom module, where is it? What is it? Custom module. There it is. Let me just create a custom module record. This is a test record for video. Let me just add random address as a salesperson over here. Full address. Save. And you can see all the other fields are already populated automatically. It came from Google, and I think it's accurate. And later on, you can add a button in the related list or over here so that you can see the map view. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.